Hi guys! It's Sunday again, and last Sunday I made this dish garden with my husband. So if you haven't watched that yet guys, link there up above and down below in the description to watch it. We had fun making that video, so you definitely have to watch it. So this video is just an update on this dish garden because I added something on it. And also an update on my Frizzle Sizzle or Albuca Spiralis and my elephant's foot that I thought were dead. So yeah, let's have a look on them first. Ta-da! So you know guys what this is? It's a Frizzle Sizzle or Albuca Spiralis or spiral grass or whatever you call it. But it's still straight because still tiny. So what about this one? So I was about to throw this last week, but then I was surprised to see something on it. So the story behind it, I bought this last May 2019 and it was in bloom. And then last, maybe 2 months ago, more than 2 months, I decided that, oh, maybe it's time to throw it because why there's no growth for more than a year. I put it out together with other dead cacti that I have to throw, but I didn't have time to throw them straight away. It was outside under rain and sun, and yeah. So last week I decided, okay, I will throw them all now. But then when I looked at it, oh, what is that? Like 1 millimeter green something on the middle on top. Put it here inside the house, and yeah, this is what it looks like now. It's amazing because it's still alive. When it started to get longer and curlier, I'll show it to you again guys. So now I'll show you my elephant's foot that's the same as this. So last Thursday guys, I unboxed cacti and succulents and this is one of them. Look at that, it is so pretty. Elephant's foot, and look at that. It's alive. So if you haven't watched that unboxing video guys, link there up above and down below to watch the video. So what about this one? Because last unboxing video, I said that I have another elephant's foot that I don't know if it's alive or not because there's no signs of growth. Because I looked at it last week and I didn't see any on it. But a day after I unboxed this one, I checked the other one and there's a surprise. Yay! It's alive! Yay! Oh my god, I'm so happy. Look at that. I thought it was dead. But look, there's cutie lips in there. Oh, so pretty. I really love it. Look at that. I love elephant's foot. It's so pretty. So guys, it's alive. So I'm so happy because my Albuca Spiralis and this one, elephant's foot, they are alive. So there's nothing special that I've done. You just have to wait. You just need to be patient and it will come to you if it's time. Just wait and see. If it's your time, it's your time to grow. Ooh, so happy. So guys, you've seen that growth on my Frizzle Sizzle and Elephant's foot. Now, the update on this one. Ta-da! Look at that! Oh, I think it's much nicer, prettier than before. I think. Ooh, for me, it's prettier. And yeah, I added white rocks, white decorative rocks on it. Ooh. What do you think, guys? Is it pretty? Oh, I hope you give this video a thumbs up if you like the update on my succulent dish garden. So I just added more of this because last time it was just one stem on this watch chain, and yeah, I just added that and just a tiny haworthia there. So yeah, that's it guys. So I hope you like what I've done in there, and yeah, the growth on this too. Oh, it's so amazing. They are alive. So happy. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like my Facebook page, Purple and Thorns, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.